Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your keyboard not showing on Roblox mobile. First, try restarting the Roblox application completely. This often clears up minor glitches. Next, make sure your device's operating system is fully updated to its newest version. Also, confirm your internet connection is stable and strong, as a poor connection can sometimes cause unexpected issues within the app. These initial steps are quick and frequently resolve the problem. Now, let's dive into your app and device settings. It's crucial to verify that Roblox has all the necessary permissions to access your device's keyboard. Sometimes, clearing the Roblox app's cache can remove any corrupted temporary data that might be causing the problem. Additionally, if you're using any third-party keyboard applications, try disabling them temporarily to see if they are interfering with Roblox's functionality. This helps isolate the issue. If the issue persists, consider a fresh start. Uninstalling and then reinstalling the Roblox application can often fix more deeply rooted software problems. Also, always confirm that your Roblox app itself is updated to its most recent version available in your App Store. As another troubleshooting step, try using a completely different keyboard application on your mobile device to see if the problem is specific to your default keyboard. This can provide valuable insight. For more advanced troubleshooting, you might consider resetting your device's network settings as a last resort. This can resolve underlying connectivity issues. If all else fails, contacting Roblox support directly is your best bet for personalized assistance. They can offer specific solutions tailored to your account or device. Finally, always test your keyboard functionality in other applications to confirm the problem is isolated to Roblox and not a broader device issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.